Oh, hello, Avengers Campus. You're a little bit crowded, aren't you, hon? It's a bit crowded. It's the first day of the half term. Yeah. From high school. Oh, there's Ant-Man. Yeah. I'm good for meeting Ant-Man. I'm assuming it's just Ant-Man and there is no Wasp.
No, there is no Wasp.
And yeah, I'm good.
Why would you do it if they were both?
Yeah, probably. If it was both of them. I've seen Wasp there as well. I have seen Wasp there as well. Look at him. I love him. Someone broke him a little bit. He big. Merci. Well, that was an eventful lunch. We went to Stark Factory. It was tasty. And then we saw people on the Quinjet. They were not tasty, I think. I didn't eat them. That'd be weird.
My job is to keep this campus running smoothly.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, climbs on pipes like no one can. He's there now. Oh, he's upside down.
No, we can't. He's a pig.
Oh, we got a little seating area.
Yeah, but then you see the fast pass area.
Oh, the fast pass area, that makes sense. Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Huh. The things your brain remembers, eh?
Because I bet you that's what those boxes are covering.
Yeah, this is not the fast pass, we promise. It's just boxes. Shush, it's theming. Shush, we promise. Don't worry about the fact that one of them's randomly Japanese, okay? So we're going on Terra Terra, and then I think Remy would be a good shout. Yeah, cool. Is my lanyard out? Yes. Good. Let's go, do the thing. I'm just gonna go via the fountain, sort of.
Está súper bonito este.
Time to get a picture of that without people in. I don't know what's happened to these white trees. They're not looking very white anymore, are they? I imagine rain.
Well, people took them.
True. It's time. There's a little bird's nest up there.
Non, parce que le...
Oh, there we go. Oh, human sized again. Oh, thank goodness for that. Right, we're going to head into Chez Marianne, which is the French souvenir shop after we've been on Ratatouille. It was very good still. I worked out a way of doing it with glasses. Put my glasses on top. Oh, these are cute. Oh, there's an adult version as well. I think these have the name in English because it's the Epcot merch. Yeah. They're still cute. And the little soups. Oh, Disney recipes. Oh, are these they? Oh no, those are they. Ooh. Okay, so you've got Mother Gothel soup. Okay. Which is from Rapunzel. Oh, and it's got a little, oh, the book stands are pretty good. I'm not going to get that back in again, am I? Sorry. Okay. Sure. That's quite cute. Mulan. Oh, they're gyoza type things. Well, not gyoza because it's Chinese, but a smoothie from Sure. And muffins from, oh my god, from the Basil the Private Detective. That's why it's got the pipe. That's lovely. Just gonna leave it on that. It's a shame it's in French. I do quite like the these. They have Mickey versions of my bottle. I may have to show you to Zoe. Because they have like the strap on them. Oh, they're glass. Oh god. Yep, put your nose back down. The Munchkins, I love them, but I don't want them. Do they smell of anything though? That's the important question. They're supposed to. So this is, what flavour is she? Peppermint cupcake Mickey. Okay. Does not smell of mint. I wonder if only the little ones are meant to smell. And there's the cinnamon swirl. And this Parisian. And rainbow cups. I like that it gives you the washing instructions. What are these? Little snack bowls. That's quite cute. How much are they? 15 euros. I'm good for them being made of plastic. And these are cute as well. I have the Jack and Sally versions. They don't hold a lot of liquid. Oh, they have these rose gold ones though. They're probably going to be like 20 euros. Ah, yep. Precisely 20 euros. I like these. How heavy is he? Oh my god, quite. Little planters. This is very cute. I must leave before I buy all the things. Also, very cute.
Let's go quite fast though.
Yes, that's what I've heard. Oh, we're off. We're off. Oh, Jesus. That's immediately fast. That's immediately speedy. Oh, lordy. Okay, I'm just going to tuck myself into the corner. There we go. I feel safe now. Hello. You spin me right round, baby, round, round. Summer. That's possibly too much room. Oh my! I'm trying to hold myself away. I really am. Oh crikey! That's a lot. Well, that was certainly an experience. Intense, yes. Would do again, yes. Spinny, spinny? Yes. Look at him, he's so innocent. So heading to Crush's Coaster, abandoning Zoe for about 20 minutes while I go on the rides that she doesn't like. And then probably getting some food soonish. We might watch Mickey and the Magician again. We don't know. We never really know. We don't plan things. What's a plan? That was fun again. Plan is flight force. Won't be able to record on that either. It goes upside down and I like to keep my phone. So we might go see Mickey and the Magician again if it's actually working. I'm going to go check actually. Because it looks a bit shut. I don't know. The guy next to me was not impressed with Avengers Flight Force. Just get off it and it was like, was that it? It's like, yes. Was going upside down 4 times, not enough for you, sir. My hair is now fluffy. I'm going to head towards Studio One and we're going to go to the village and have a look through the shops there. And then I think we're going to eat at Annette's. We had originally planned on eating at Remy's, but we had dinner here at Start Factory earlier and it was quite filling because it was pasta. So I'm good for food. Well, what's going on here? What have I happened upon this time? Oh, just some Avengers chilling on a rooftop, as you do. See, this is what I like about Avengers Campus. The only problem is now, I was trying to and get out that way. Don't think that's going to happen. So I'm going to have to possibly go the long way round. They do look incredibly cool up there though. Okay, now the Avengers are gone, so have the crowd. Just needed to sit and wait it out. And yes, it is busy. It is the first day of the school holidays for a lot of schools. So a lot of people will have travelled up either today or yesterday to come in the park today. So just trying to avoid walking into people. I think we might go and see Mickey and the Magician again. I don't know. We'll find out.
This is why we need to stay on site.
Yeah. I mean, you say that like we wouldn't just go back to the hotel and sleep now anyway.
Yes.
So, I see no difference. But yes, we are done. I love the decorations in here. Like, they're so cute. Especially on swabs. For some reason, that's like the best one. And if you wanted some very expensive jewellery, no, I'm alright as well. Oh, it's all lit up. I don't know why I didn't expect it to be shush. Nighttime. Did you want to look in either of these shops? Cool. The Eiffel Tower. We love the Eiffel Tower. Oh, hello, very fast, energetic people. They've clearly had their wee bits. Okay, we are back in our hotel. The bus took 40 minutes. Well, I think we missed one. It's really unclear. But we are back in our little apartment for our last night, a single tier. And the plan is to chill out. I bought myself a new varsity jacket. It's so comfortable. I love it so much. I may just live in this tomorrow. So we're going to head to bed, rest and relax. And we're going to head to the park reasonably early tomorrow. So we will see you then. Until then, bye for now and go do the YouTube things. Do them all. Do them. Thank you. Bye.